Good morning, students. I hope all of you are doing good. Yeah, we have completed the first chapter, moving toward the second chapter. And the second chapter is from geography, motions of the earth. Earth, the planet on which we live is earth. Motion means the movement. अगर हम इसको हिंदी में बोले मतलब किसी भी चीज की चाल कैसी है. So we have to know about the movement of the earth in this chapter. Okay, here you can see that this is a solar system. This is a solar system. This is sun. Okay, and this is our solar family. So we are going to study about the planet earth, that is our home planet, and especially its motion. उसके movement के बारे में हम पढ़ेंगे. So basically the earth has two motions, that is rotation and revolution. So basically the earth is having the two movement. Earth के दो motions हैं, that is rotation and revolution. Let's see first about the rotation. Yeah, so rotation is the spinning of the earth on its own axis. See children, this is earth. Okay, so the earth is spinning on its own axis. वो अपने आप भी घूमता है. Okay, it's keep on rotating. That is on its own axis. Okay, that is called rotation. So rotation is what? Rotation is the spinning of the earth on its own axis. वो अपने ही एक जगह पे खुद घूमता रहता है. That is called रोटेशन. आपने कभी लट्टू देखा है? आप जैसे ही लट्टू डोरी में से फेंकते हो तो क्या होता है? वो एक ही जगह पे घूमता रहता है ना. वो एक जगह पे स्टेबल होता है और वो खुद घूमता होता है. दैट इज कॉल्ड रोटेशन. इन द सेम वे अर्थ ऑल्सो रोटेट. जैसे वो लट्टू घूमता है वैसे ही अर्थ भी घूमता है अपने आप से, एंड दैट मूवमेंट इज कॉल्ड द रोटेशन. द टाइम फॉर वन रोटेशन इज 24 आवर्स और 1 डे. और अर्थ पूरा एक रोटेशन कब तक कंप्लीट कर लेता है? व्हाट इज द टाइम फॉर द रोटेशन इज 24 आवर और 1 डे. इज इट? डे एंड नाइट आर द रिजल्ट ऑफ द रोटेशन मूवमेंट. क्योंकि अर्थ रोटेट करता है इसलिए हमारे अर्थ पे डे एंड नाइट अकर करते हैं. सो व्हाट इज द रीजन बिहाइंड द डे एंड नाइट ऑन द अर्थ? इट्स रोटेशन. Okay, let's see it in the more clear way. Here also you can see this ray of the light is coming here. Ray of the sun is coming here, and this part is receiving as it is rotating. So this part is behind, so it is dark, so it is night, and this part is in the front of the sun, so here it is day. So the day and night occurs because of the rotation of the earth. अर्थ पे डे एंड नाइट इसलिए होता है, एक साइड पे नाइट होता है एक साइड पे डे इसलिए होता है बिकॉज अर्थ कीप्स ऑन द रोटेटिंग. ओके, इस वजह से एक साइड जो अर्थ का होता है वो सन के सामने होता है और दूसरा साइड होता है वो पीछे होता है, वेयर इट डजंट गेट द सनलाइट. सो देयर इट्स रिमेन अ डार्क, सो देयर इट्स अ नाइट. एंड एज इट्स रोटेट दैट part come in front of the sun, and again there it becomes a day, and the part which was in the day that comes back to the and that rotate and come to the backward side, and there it's become a night. Okay, so this is how the day and night occurs. Now this axis, if you will see this axis, this is an axis of the earth on which it rotates, but this axis is imaginary. ये imaginary axis हमने हमारे लिए बनाया है for our understanding. On the earth actually there is no such axis, and this imaginary line is between the north pole and south pole. See, it is straight from here to here. Okay, You can see this is North Pole, this is South Pole, and this is crossing directly from the North Pole to South Pole. So this is an imaginary axis. And second thing, this axis is tilted. Okay, अर्थ जो रोटेट करता है वो बिल्कुल सीधा रोटेट नहीं करता है, वो थोड़ा सा टिल्टेड है. ओके, एंड देन इट रोटेट्स. गॉट इट? एंड द पॉइंट फ्रॉम वेयर इट इज टिल्टेड, and there we have given an imaginary axis. Okay, and this imaginary axis is only for our understanding of the phenomena of the rotations, and the things occur because of that. Okay, there is actually no such imaginary line actually on the earth. Now we will see some more effects of the rotation of the earth. अर्थ रोटेट करता है, उसके कारण कौन कौन से और इफेक्ट्स होते हैं, that also we will see here. See, as I have told you that day and night occurs on the earth only because of the rotation of the earth. See here, the picture is very clear. The sun ray is coming from here and hitting on the surface of the earth, and the part which is in front of the sun ray is having day, and the backward part which is not in front of the sun, there it is night. And this is the axis of the earth. When the earth revolves and this part of the earth comes here, then this part will have the day, and this part will move here to the back side, then this part of the world will have the night. This is how the day and night exist on the earth, and because of this reason only earth के पूरे पार्ट पे हमेशा कभी भी डे नहीं होता और हमेशा कभी भी नाइट नहीं होता. Is it? For example, in India if it is a day, तो अमेरिका क्योंकि बिल्कुल another part of the earth पे है, so there it is night, और जब वहां नाइट होता है then here it is day. This is a view of day and night from the space. अगर आप स्पेस से देखोगे तो आपको डे एंड नाइट का जो व्यू है वो ऐसा दिखाई देगा. एंड दिस इज द इमेजिनरी एक्सिस ऑफ द अर्थ. As the earth rotates on its axis, half of the earth faces the sun and half of the earth is away from the sun. Okay, so the part which faces the earth experiences day, while the earth that is away from the sun will have or will experience is night. We have day and night on the earth because of the earth rotation. Earth पे day and night इसीलिए है because the earth rotates. The earth spins at the speed of 1670 km per hour, and it spins from west to east, that is an anti-clockwise. Okay, so what is the speed at which the earth rotates? It's 1670 km, and it rotates in the direction of west to east, that is an anti-clockwise. Okay, now in the next module we will see the effect of revolution of the earth. Okay, हमने इसमें क्या पढ़ा कि रोटेशंस की वजह से क्या क्या इफेक्ट होते हैं. Now in the next module we will see what is the effect of the revolution. Okay, children, I hope all of you have understand this topic. If any query, you can contact me.